As you progress through your career, you will go through two major identity shifts. The first one is when you transition from being an individual contributor, an engineer, into roles that require you to lead other people, a project superintendent or a project lead, for example. You have to make that shift, you have to make a major change in your identity. You have to, even after all that you've invested in qualifying to become an engineer, you have to let go of the gratification that comes from being an engineer who does work to being someone who develops engineers who do work. It's a big identity shift, and you have to make it to succeed. But the identity shifts don't stop there. When you transition from success in middle management into senior and executive positions, you transition your identity again from someone who develops engineers to do work, and engineers and others to do work, into someone who's positioning the business in its marketplace. And if you can't get gratification in the new identity, then your career is going to plateau. And we find in our work all across the globe that for women in STEM, these identity shifts are a real challenge because most often the women, like you, have invested years to embrace that professional identity, and it's hard to let it go.